And this is what my original keys looked like, only I just didn't have 3, I had about 30. And so every time I had to try one key, another key and another key in the lock until I found out which one went where. No good at all. Then I had a great idea of labelling up the keys. The problem was the label came off in about 2 days, so that was no good. Then I discovered, which I'm sure you've seen, these keycap covers. Again, a great idea until you have all different size keys. The narrow shaped keys at the top just kept falling off. And then even if I had just a slightly bigger key, it would not fit because the material these keycaps are made out of is really rigid. So the only key it would fit would be the standard size keys. And then trying to get them off after about a year was a little bit of a problem, and this is what I found happened. The key cap would split open. Again, a waste of money. However, that was all I had to work with at the time, but I still would forget what the blue, purple or dark blue key caps were for. So then enter key tags, something else to go on my keychain, and so it ended up to be really bulky. Some keys would have key identifiers, some would have tags, some would have nothing. It pretty much was a mess, so I thought I could definitely do better than that. And this is why I invented the label keycaps. The key material is super stretchy, so as you can see it can stretch over any size or shape key, but it's tight and snug enough to fit over smaller keys. Every key has a window on each side, so you put a label directly on the key head. We have printed ones or blank ones that you can customize yourself, and you put the key label on the key head on both sides and easily slip on the label keycap. It's called label because we have one label and another label. You might notice these little nubs. This is to show which way up the key is when you put it in the key lock. So sometimes the key is this way up, sometimes the key is this way up, but even in the dark you'll be able to feel which way is the right way. Thank you for listening, and you can get your keycaps on Amazon, eBay or on our website labelkeycaps.com.